Asyong. I am the customer.
And I am Sabashar Talomia as a receptionist. Good afternoon, Mom. Welcome to Rimurus Restaurant.
Good afternoon as well.
Do you have any reservation, Ma'am?
Yes, I booked for a table of 2.
May I know your name, Ma'am?
My name is Christine Joy Asyong. I'm with Ira Astular.
Noted, Ma'am. Just a second. I will check it for a while.
Sure, no problem.
May I repeat your reservation, Ma'am? So, it's a table for 2, a non-smoking area. Reservation was made under the Miss Christine Ashong at 10 o'clock in the morning today.
That's right.
May I show your table, Ma'am?
Yes, sure.
This way, Ma'am. Is this table, Ma'am, is okay?
Yes, sure.
Have a seat, Ma'am.
Thank you.
May I lay your napkin, Ma'am? It's okay for you. Okay. Here's the menu, Ma'am. I'll be back for 3 to 5 minutes. I'll take your order. Would you like cold water or warm water, ma'am?
I just warm water.
Okay po. Here's the table, ma'am. And this is your warm water, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.